Top 10 Phone Repair in Kansas City. 1. The Fix in Walmart, Kansas City, 5/10/92 reviews, Parallel Parkway. 2. Premium Wireless, 4.9 565 reviews, Independence Avenue. 3. The Fix in Walmart, Kansas City, 4.9 549 reviews, North Church Road. 4. Device Pros, We Fix iPhone, iPad and Android Repair, 4.9 284 reviews, South Strang Line Rd. 5. Cell Depot 2 Phone Repair and Sell by Trade, 4.9 87 reviews, East Truman Rd. 6. Hightech Wireless Phones and Repair, 4.8 311 reviews, State Avenue. 7. iRepair Kansas City, 4.8 265 reviews, Troost Avenue. 8. ScreenFixKC, 4.8 49 reviews, Wornall Rd. 9. ProTechs Phone and PC Repair, 4.8 46 reviews, Blue Ridge Boulevard. 10. uBreakiFix Phone and Computer Repair, 4.7 1470 reviews, and Oak Trafficway.